I thought I heard something. The truck put something going on. Oh, he left the trailer hitch. Because I thought I heard something go ka-chink. Now I know why. But I was eating lunch, so there was no way to record at that moment. And we were discussing about 9/11 and how Donald Trump said it was an inside job. That was before, this was way before Trump was president. Some kind of, well, I thought it was a tractor, but it might be a different kind of tractor. It's a bobcat. Well, at least we know they're getting ready. The sun's right there. Yeah, the sun's right there. It's kind of cloudy though.